Hello, friends. My name is Sparky, and welcome back to Sparky's Science Time. Today, we are going to do a super cool trick. It looks like real, but guess what? It's not magic at all. It's science, and science is even better than magic, because you can do it too. Today's experiment is, can you guess? Think. Okay, I'll show you. Today we make a butterfly slide without even touching it. We need a balloon, paper butterfly, and a pencil. This balloon looks so normal, but it has a hidden magic power. Should we wake it up? Rub on my hair. Look at my hair, it's standing up. Now my balloon is full of invisible charge. It's called static electricity. Now, shh, watch carefully. I bring it closer. It's moving! My butterfly is flying! Look! This is the best trick ever! My butterfly is building like magic! Yay! Now, look, far away, it stops. Close again, it dances. It really listens to the balloon. But why does this happen? Let me tell you the secret behind the magic. When I rubbed the balloon on my hair, tiny invisible charges jumped onto it. We call this static electricity. My balloon's charge pulls the light paper butterfly. Opposite charges love to attract each other. So that's the magic. Static electricity makes light things move, just like our dancing butterfly. All right, everyone, let's take a look at what we learned today. I hope you had as much fun as I did, Finn. Don't forget, you can try this at home with a grown-up's help, okay? And remember, science is everywhere. You just have to look for it. This was Sparky saying bye-bye, and I'll see you in the next experiment. Stay curious, my friends.